Hello, hello, everyone. My name is Ernest,
And I'm
co-founder of the
Latoya.
ProfitRoom.com. All right. Good evening, good evening, good evening. All right. So we're back again. Day two. We're talking about our new course, Stock Market Stimulus. We'll give a minute or so for people to share this if you're on Facebook, or let people know if you're watching from YouTube as well. How's it going, Latoya? You all right today?
Everything's good. Can't complain.
All right. Cool, cool. All right, all right. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. So here we go. All right. So just to give a summary once again, we're the Profit Room. We're a stock market trade and education company. We teach people how to learn how to trade and invest in the different financial markets, whether it's stocks, options, futures, or forex. If it has a chart, Latoya,
It, we
yep,
trade it. Yep.
we actually trade it, which is cool. We also specialize in posting live trades. So if you have to go to our YouTube channel, we have live trades. We do have a trading room where we trade every day as
Hold on,
well.
Ernest. We also specialize in trading live at the same time in our trading rooms. Every trade we're in is always ahead of time.
Correct. Always ahead of time, not an after effect. So, you know, you definitely need to check that out if you want to be an active trader in the stock market. So we recently launched a new course called Stock Market Stimulus. We made the announcement yesterday. Stock Market Stimulus is a course to help those who can't get into our premium courses as of yet with mentorship, where we specialize in, get them a jump start into trading stock and options. So in 2020, we had a group class. We called it Stock Market Stimulus, and it was a great success. If you go on our YouTube channel here or just ask about it, a lot of students benefited from it, even to the point where recently Latoya was featured in Essence magazine. Yep, we made it there, Essence magazine, and they was asking us questions. Check out that article as well. So we decided, let's put this in a package deal, a package course together, make it very structured. So I was able to put this together in a nice package, add some new content, and we have it launched. So go over to stockmarketstimulus.com. The reason why we're doing this live again, and we'll be going live almost every day for the next couple of days, we want to talk about some stuff that is real dear to us. One of our students, Latrice, amazing student. She's a stock market stimulus student. Um, Mother of five, very enthusiastic. I mean, very enthusiastic, and her story is great. If you check it out on YouTube, amazing story. Uh, she's retired vet. I think she's disabled veteran, but we find people like her all the time who follows people who trade and invest, and she can't afford to put herself in a situation to financially hurt herself. She wanted to find ways to replace her income, or generate extra income. She has a busy lifestyle. Like you said, mother of five, things of that nature, and just a personal life. So, Latoya, tell us a little bit about Latrice, how she came off to you, and how she is as a person now as a trader.
Definitely. So I'm gonna start off with her story. You mentioned a few parts, but one that really stuck out to me was that she followed us for a while. I think it was nearly 2 years, as she disclosed. And what really made her jump on our stock market stimulus group class was the fact that when COVID happened and everything hit the wire in terms of the news and people not being able to work and then small businesses getting shut down, she realized something very important. You and I, we were still posting online. We're still, holding down our trading room. We're still picking these amazing stocks and we're still making money despite everything that was going on around us. It's like nothing affected us. And one of the reasons why is because within the markets, you're able to make money when the price goes up just as much as when the price falls down. So it really motivated her to actually start the process of learning stocks and options, learning how to trade for income. And what's more important to me also was her why, right? She has 5 kids. She has a family to feed, which makes absolute sense. So when your why is greater than anything, you're going to look for opportunities that presents itself for you to actually, I like to call it, feed your family for a lifetime. So her being able to do that, finding true value within the stock market stimulus course, was just immense to us. Because listen, as a mother myself, just thinking about certain processes, I never want to be able to not feed, my kids. So that's a huge definite factor. That's a huge part of our lives in general. What particular stood out to you about her story, Ernest?
I think what really stood out was, like you said, her why and her drive. And one thing she did, which was great on her part as individual, she brought on an accountability partner. So in the stock market stimulus course, even the one we have now, you'll be in a group, a private Facebook group where you can share wins and communicate with each other. But it was so affordable at that time period that she was able to convince a girlfriend of hers, hey, join this, let's do this together. And for those who don't have somebody that's accountability partner, that's no problem, because you'll be with like-minded individuals. So they were able to help each other. They both knew each other's whys, and they was able to, with the assistance from Latoya and I, be able to stick the course. And what made it even better for me is because she actually listened. Like when she first started trading, she started seeing some nice profits. Her goal was very modest as a trader, very modest, 150, $200 a day, very modest. And I'm going to say that, very modest. Then she started making some amazing profits. And I remember the first day she sent me a message. I made $2,000 today, right? Because her goal was just to see if she can just pay for her mortgage within a week and everything else could fall into place. Now, I think that was around her mortgage payment, and she was able to successfully do that. And she knows how to stop trading. So that's one of the things too, where she's taken trading serious, like as a business. And until this day, she's able to level up even more just from taking that one stock market stimulus course. She has advanced so much, and that makes us, of course, both feel good that we know that we're providing education to people that can really benefit from it. Because a lot of people, they say, hey, I could take the course here. What makes your course different? I think what makes our course different, we try to get a little bit more personable with people. We have a solid structure. And you'll notice that throughout our programs with Latoya and I, where we try to make sure that you become disciplined as you become a trader, right? We don't like to move things a little bit too fast, because the mature you are as an individual in life and things that you want to make sure that it's structured the right way. So when Latrice came to us and she told us her individual goals, what she was trying to do, we was able to adjust and adapt everything, even in that course, for her to achieve the goals that she wanted to.
Which is absolutely amazing, definitely. And I'm also going to mention something about the structure. So, structure is extremely important, and also pace. One thing we do not like to do is just provide the entire content all at once, or push everything in your face all at once. Realistically, how are you going to dissect all of that information in the different moving parts? So, what we do, we feed it to you. We make sure you understand this part before moving forward to the next. Like Ernest said, we're very hands on and personal with the content, because we truly want everyone to learn. Because we know this is going to be a huge benefit, not only now, but just think about this skill in the future. And that was the whole intent of stock market stimulus. Like, we don't need you, government. We got this.
Correct. Exactly. So we're going to take that money, but we're going to flip it some type of way to benefit us financially. So why not invest in yourself so you can always pull money out of the market? So Me amazing, amazing. So we just wanted to come on here real quick. Like I said, we'll be coming on here on a regular basis throughout and just sharing some tidbits. Just once again, if you go to stockmarketstimulus.com, a lot of you guys have been asking for our group stock and options course. This is what we put together. It's a great course. Believe me, it's very amazing. And this is an amazing deal. For $9.97, you guys get to get this course. You see all the details on Stock Market Stimulus. May 2nd, we're going to have a live training as well. Now, this is for our community. This is for our community. We are known to have our premium courses that we bang out amazing traders, amazing traders. The content that we're providing here will get you to the point of being able to pull money out of the market on a consistent basis. And if you want to eventually level up to another level, you'll have that confidence that you need, right? To level up in trading in the future, or have the money you need in order to purchase maybe more of a premium course. But at the end of the day, we're giving you some great information that you can use right away. What I mean by right away, after you continue our process and finish our structure, you can be able to start using it right away. And of course, you'll be in a great group of people just like yourself. So just want to say, hope you guys have a great evening. We'll probably see you tomorrow again and discuss some more information about stock market stimulus. As always, we say,
Get educated and be safe.
all right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.